Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the holiday spirit by designing a Christmas mug using Studio. We'll start by creating a new design and setting custom dimensions to fit an 11 ounces mug, which will be 8.75 by 3.75 inches. This size is perfect to wrap your design neatly around the mug. Now, it's time to add some joyful text. Click on Text, then Add Text field, and add some festive text, like Mug Full of Christmas Magic. Experiment with fonts, sizes, and colors to give it that perfect Christmas vibe. Next, head to the Graphics tab and select one or a couple of festive images that capture the magic of Christmas. Add them to your canvas and position them just right. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Share to download your creation. And there you have it, a delightful Christmas mug design that's sure to spread holiday cheer. Happy designing and enjoy the festive season.